Hello. First of all, I would like to say thank you for all of you that watched my crochet toys pocket toy video and subscribed from there, and also left me a lot of comments on next patterns, and the most popular was the whale one. So today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make this super cute whale. Let's get to it. This time around, I'm gonna use my recycled cotton yarn, the Vintage Cotton brand, and my 3.5 millimeter hook. The main part of the body or the head, depending on what toy you're making, is the same for all of them. So you need to just chain 10. And then single crochet starting from the second chain, in single crochet into each stitch for 10 rows. Chain 1, turn, and continue to single crochet for 9 more rows. And you will have two similar panels. The second panel, leave the yarn, don't fasten it because we'll need it to single crochet the edges together. Counting from the top, between row 6 and 5, we'll have to insert the safety eyes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Somewhere here in the beginning, so like 1, 2, 3 stitches. The same on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3. And with the yarn needle and a little bit of black yarn, you can make a cute smile, or you can leave it without. It's up to you. To make the smile, 2 rows beneath the eye, count 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the yarn needle and go down 1 row into the first stitch, and on this second row, on the second stitch from where you started, you go in, you go on top of the black yarn here, and then you go below in the same space, and you make a tiny smile. After you weave in your ends, we need to close all the sides, leaving one open to use some stuffing. You will single crochet across all the stitches. Before closing the top side, we'll put some stuffing in. And then you finish up with 1, 2 slip stitches. Fasten off, and then you can just weave this end in as well. For the fins and tail, we need to make circles. So chain 2 and single crochet 6 times in the first chain. Pull on the tail. Now single crochet 2 times into each stitch. You should have 12 stitches at the end of this round. Next round we'll have 1 single crochet into the next stitch and then an increase, so 2 single crochets in the next, and repeat until the end of this round. You should have 18 stitches. So 1 and then 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Next, go to this next stitch, fold, and go through the stitch you see available here and work a single crochet. You will work single crochet into all of them to make it look like a fin. Fasten yarn and leave some length that we'll use for sewing. You need to have 4 of these. 2 of them will make the tail. Out of the 2 we'll make the tail. Place them like this and sew this side. Bring back the needle in the bottom, and then place them in somewhere in the middle of the side here on the back. So the last two parts are sewing the fins. I like to sew one closer to the mouth and on the opposite side to have the other one a bit farther away so you can see both of them. See you next time. Bye bye.